Cumin is used in many recipes for its distinct flavor and taste. Not only is it used to enhance the foods we eat, but cumin is an incredibly healthy spice consumed for centuries for its medicinal properties and overall health-promoting abilities. 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon per day is often recommended. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of cumin. First, cumin is very nutrient-dense and packed with vitamins, minerals, and other healthy compounds. This is one reason why it is considered one of the healthiest spices in the world. Cumin is a great source of iron, manganese, calcium, thiamin, magnesium, and niacin, among many others. It is also high in fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds. Consuming cumin can also help to promote proper digestion and relieve symptoms associated with indigestion. It can help to increase the level of activity among digestive enzymes, helping to speed up digestion and improving its efficiency. Cumin can also help increase bile production from the liver, again helping and improving the digestive process. Regular consumption of cumin can also provide benefits for those with diabetes or those who are at risk of developing diabetes. Studies have shown that cumin can improve early indicators of diabetes in those individuals struggling with maintaining a healthy weight. It also contains compounds that can reduce and counter long-term effects of diabetes, while also helping to control blood sugar levels. It can also help to improve the overall health of our heart many different ways and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Regular consumption of cumin can help to decrease triglycerides in the blood, while studies have also shown that it can help to decrease bad LDL cholesterol. As well, it can increase good HDL cholesterol, while its many healthy nutrients and plant compounds are also important for heart health. Lastly, consuming cumin can help to boost immunity and provide antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Studies have shown that cumin contains several compounds that work to reduce the growth of bacteria, specifically food-borne bacteria, while also reducing infectious fungi. Cumin also contains a potent and unique compound known as megalomycin, which provides antibiotic properties. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.